Yeah, welcome back to Kicking in the Second Half, Kish YZ. We have another Shooz episode for you. This is a follow-up to the James Harden. We have another Adidas potential superstar NBA player, and Donovan Mitchell. Show him some love. Shout out to Salt Lake City, Utah Jazz fans. Yeah, like I said, this is Donovan Mitchell. This is the D.O.N issue number ones. Donovan Mitchell, D-Mitch, Ditch, Drain, Drano, because he shoots a lot of threes. All right, maybe not. We ain't gonna go there because he actually already has a nickname. It's called Spida with an A, not an ER, because we don't want to see him in an emergency room. Is it getting kind of cringy? I think it is. But before we get into the Shooz, I want to let the viewers and listeners know that it is Limb Loss Awareness Month, and what I want to do by the end of the month for every subscriber that we have, I would like to donate $1 to support the limb loss awareness. If you would like to donate, you can also donate at limbsforlife.org. That is where I will be donating. I've already donated once, but I would like to do another donation on May 1st. So let's get those likes and subscribers up. Please send us a subscribe if you are checking this video out, if you've seen some of our other videos and you're coming back for more. And show us some support and show that foundation some support as well. You can also find us on Anchor.fm and Spotify if you want to listen to audio-only versions of our podcast shows. We also have some debates on this YouTube page as well, and some other videos to check out. So yeah, if you're here just for the Shooz, make sure you check us out. And speaking of subscribers, I would like to get out a shout out to our latest subscriber, Heather. Hey Heather, hey, thank you for subscribing. I want to shout out your brand or what you've been doing, which is baking and cooking. This is called Made Tasty by Heather. Definitely check her out. I think I'm going to put the link to her Facebook page in the description. So she does pies, cookies. We're talking snickerdoodles, chocolate chip, snickerdoodles, chocolate chip, banana, maybe. I'm sure you do requests. You probably do, let's see, peanut butter. My personal favorite outside of the snickerdoodle would probably have to be, I like that oatmeal raisin. So, definitely check her out. Some good stuff. Like, you get the cookie in your hand and you're just like, oh my gosh. It's just like, you just want to dance. You just, you can't help it. It's something about those cookies, man. Hey, yo. Since this is Salt Lake City, and we're representing Donovan Mitchell, and I'm shouting out Made Tasty by Heather. Yo, DeJondas, what up, bro? Hey, I want to shout out our boy DeJondas. Check out his song on YouTube, How I Cook Up. But bro, man, happy late birthday, man. If you're watching this, DM me if you want some of these cookies, bro. I can get you some shipped over. You can try them out and see how you like them. I mean, they're pretty tasty, and for a free cookie, that's a pretty good deal not to pass up. So, I just kind of want to keep bouncing, thinking about those cookies, but yeah, let's get into the box here. Here's the shipping box right here, and I'll pop that open. And I do have, this ain't the shoe. He's not Nike. I'm gonna do these in another shoe episode. Here we are. Okay. Throw that in the box. These came from Hibbett Sports, by the way. So in case you're wondering where I got them, and in case I was wondering where I got them, they put this little Hibbett tag there. Yeah, anyway. Here's his box. Look at that. There's that Spida logo that he has, to go with his nickname. So that's definitely what they're calling him. There is the information of the shoe, D.O.N issue 1, what's that say? GCA? It sure does. And yeah, it says Donovan on the side right here. That's cool. Put your name all over that. There's the Adidas logo there. Nothing on the bottom. I don't know how this is showing up for y'all, but this box isn't orange. It's red. Red and white. So let's open up. I like to start with the paper. See how they look inside. Oh, bro, look at that. Look at the print inside of the box. It kind of pushes through. That's cool. I like that impression there. That same paper almost like basically what James Harden has with the Adidas paper, but in the logo, but he has his Spider logo on the paper. So that is a plus for a first signature shoe. You know, that's pretty awesome. I mean, it's paper. It's not a huge deal, right? It is to me. Hey, yo, shout out to Nick, bro. I saw your comment in the last video. Yeah, hopefully no more hairs. I think we broke that streak. And hopefully it doesn't repeat itself and return again. I'd prefer that, to be honest. So here's a look at the shoe. This is black, orange, some white stuff. Yeah, I don't know what's all in that box. But yeah, let's just go with that. It's got the 3 stripes on the inside, the interior of the foot. Let's bring it around town. Hey, this got that bounce to it, bro. Hey, look at that. You know, I was dancing earlier. I should have pulled this out when I was dancing. What's that on the back? Can y'all make that out? Oh, bro, what? That's him, though. Like, for real. And that's how he really dunks, though. Is his head superimposed? What's up with that body, though? Why is his head so big? Bro, come on. What is that? This looks like a fathead poster. I don't know. It's dope, though. I like how they put him on the shoe. Like, if you didn't know from the box that it was him and you didn't know by looking at this with his own logo, I mean, look at the bottom of the shoe. It's him, for real. Hey, maybe that's a representation. Tell me what y'all think. You think that he purposely wanted that at the bottom of the shoe because he feels like he's always getting stepped on? Like, that would be dope. That's a dope storyline. I'm going to stick with that. Yeah, I like that. I like that. And let's open it up. Dude, look at the inside of the tongue. It's got that, like, it's got a spider web for real, though. Man, I even, like, went all out with, like, a little Spider-Man theme over here in case you haven't noticed. Because, you know, Adidas does do a lot of team-ups with Marvel as far as collaborations. Check out some of my other shoes videos. I have those Hulk Adidas Stan Smith shoes. And like I said in a couple videos ago, I do have another shoes video I want to do that's Adidas and Marvel collaboration. So hopefully I'll get to that this weekend. It's still in the box, ready to be unboxed, and I can't wait to do those as well. And let's see what's on the footbid here. Looks like it says Donovan Mitchell, and it's got some... Oh, bro, what? It already says Dunk Champion in here. Like, yeah, that's super dope. That's super dope. And maybe now that I'm thinking about the release of this, because he is on issue number 2 currently, so this is last year's model. And yeah, he had already been in the league for several years. But yeah, with this on there, maybe that's representing the dunk contest, and as well of my theory of him being stepped on because he did not win Rookie of the Year. I don't know if you remember that battle. It was between him and Ben Simmons. So yeah, maybe that's why, because in that rookie season, he also wore a shirt that says something about referencing the Rookie of the Year. So yeah, I think Adidas did him right here. They were doing it up big. So yeah, this is a great representation, in my opinion, of a first signature shoe as far as throwing in personality, giving it its own flavor. They're like really representing what he symbolizes in the game. Yeah, I'm not going to make all that out. That looks like maybe a reverse crown, but I think that looks like the crown inside for Dunk Champion. Can y'all see that? Right. It's up here. It's up there. There it is. There's the crown right there. That is cool. I really like that. Jeff, in case you're wondering, let's see. That's kind of stiff right there, bro. And it looks kind of, yeah, it's got that same structure as like those Hardens that I did. Kind of wide there. Probably narrow here due to the lacing system and that toe box. I'm sure you got plenty of toe room there. All right, let me get out the other shoe. It's probably a mirror image, I would assume, since it's like the first signature shoe. I'm sure they're not going to go too big. Hey, actually, you know, the bottom of this one, that's the first thing I went to. There's the Spider logo. How is it displayed? Is it upside down? Yeah, I guess that's it right here. Yeah, man. And look, it's got the stars. All right, let's put them together. Whoa, my bad. Sorry, man. Let's see what we got. Is that making any sense? Nope, of course not, because it's upside down. Can you hear me now? Okay, I'm just making stuff up at the moment. I don't think these are meant to be side by side like that. It's just that's what you get on the right foot. This is what you get on the left foot. It was worth a shot, but I'm not seeing a true pattern there. So my bad again. But yeah, both got the looks like the same print. This has the crown. This has the spider, like emphasized more, but they have some of the same printing, or all of the same printing. Throughout the back half of the shoe. So this is what the shoes look like right here. Throw some orange in there. There that goes. And you know what? I kind of like the way this looks on the inside. You know, sometimes I'm not big on the insides, the interiors of the shoes. Just sometimes this is like kind of blank. Like left out, like let's not do anything fancy there and just keep it all on the outside. But I think it's the opposite. I kind of like the interior more than the exterior, if I'm saying that right, as far as comparing the sides. Let me see if I'm seeing any extra details on here. Okay, all right, help me out here. Okay, this might not mean anything because it's too early to tell. You know, sometimes when they put those little dots, it could be indicators for like all-star appearances and stuff like that, but at that point I think he only had one. So this right here, let's see what that's about. What is that? That is 36 and a half dash 40 and a half. Should have looked this up, but I didn't, so let's just make something up again. At that's his estimated vertical leap, which I guess that's pretty decent. It seems like his might be higher. Maybe he started out at a 36 and a half when he came into the league, and then he got up to 40 and a half for the dunk contest. I don't know. This sounds good. I'm going to roll with that. Yeah, once again, let me pick that other shoe up. All right, let's see if that one has. Yeah, that's got the same information. So really the only differences between these two are the bottoms there. One more look at the shoe. Let's put that here with Spider-Man. See it from a distance. I do like the orange. I'm trying to think. I don't know when the orange kicked in as far as... I'm trying to think of his jersey design. Maybe last year's Utah jersey design when they had... Nope. That's Denver. That's... Okay. All right, I'm done making stuff up now, so let's just say it's just a black and orange shoe. I like the colorway of this one. I actually picked this shoe, one, because it was on sale. Two, the Donovan issue number 2s, the Don issue number 2s were on sale as well. But I like the way these looked better than the second iteration of his signature series. So, you know, you can tell me what y'all think in comparison to Don issue 1 here and the Don issue 2s if you look those up. But yeah, I'm glad I got this one because even if you know, you're not a big fan of this, or you know, this might not be a go-to shoe, I'm not sure if I'll play in this yet. But as a fan of the NBA, I kind of like being able to collect signature shoes from players. You know, obviously, if you're getting a signature shoe, you should be like basically a pretty high-profile player in the league, unless they're just taking a big risk on you from a company standpoint as far as branding. But you know, usually first signature shoes are cheap, and if you find leftovers from the year before and they're cheaper, like, yeah, that's what I'm about, like just trying to add that to the collection. So I need to possibly go back and find some other players that I don't have yet. Be on the lookout. I do want to get Zion's first shoe. Sorry to interrupt this Adidas segment, but I'm not getting sponsored. So, yeah, I would like to get those shoes when they come out. There's a particular colorway I would like to get. And I think they're going to be retail for $130 when they come out. They would probably be a pretty good seller because Zion is a high-profile player with his name and the Jordan brand. But, yeah, hopefully I can get a pair of those. I don't have any pairs of the Greek Freaks. I probably should get a pair of those because I think he's on number 2, probably about to hit into number 3. Yeah, so, yeah, I definitely want to get more of these as far as player signature shoes to add to the collection. So I could say at least I have one, but it's always cool to have the first one. Kind of like how I look back on the Kyries that I have, the Kyrie ones that I've never worn, and I can look back like, hey, I got that shoe super cheap, but I have his first edition. So That just kind of what makes a great story for me as far as keepsake. It's why I got the shoe and why I haven't worn the shoe. So I'll put that back over here. And yeah, I want y'all to definitely stay tuned here. And yeah, check out our PPF video on Donovan Mitchell, where we do a past, present, future breakdown of the player and our opinions of what we think. This is related to our podcast. So yeah, check out our YouTube page for the basketball content. This is more of like a fashion content, but obviously it's related to what we're talking about since it's a basketball signature shoe. So yeah, check out the PPF there. And I also want to shout out to the Tavern Geek. Check him out there on YouTube. He's a podcaster. I'm featured on there. And Your Bud 36. Thank you for your support, everybody. Thanks for tuning in. Peace and love.